This session of the Appellate Division First Department is now open. Welcome, everyone. Ms. Guerrero, you may proceed.
Thank you, Justice Gish. Good afternoon. May it please the court. I, Veronica Guerrero, counsel to this court's Committee on Character and Fitness, am honored to present 35 applicants to the court for admission to the bar. Each of these applicants has met all of the requirements necessary for admission to the New York State Bar. Further, I am pleased to report that the committee has examined the records of each and every candidate here today. Accordingly, and on behalf of the committee, I certify that each applicant here this afternoon does possess the requisite character and fitness to merit admission to the bar of the state of New York. Therefore, I do hereby move for their admission.
Thank you. Before I rule on your admission, I want to take the opportunity to thank the members of the Committee on Character and Fitness for the excellent job that they have done to assure that all of the candidates here today are well qualified for admission to the bar of the state of New York. I want to thank them for their pro bono service and for you to indicate to them how important their work is not only to us, but also to the bar of the state of New York. If you would please convey that to them, I'd appreciate it.
Certainly.
Now we turn to the motion before the court. And I like to start out by reminding everybody of what Judge Cardozo said, that justice delayed is justice denied. But I tell you today, there will be no denial of justice because my colleagues have authorized me to rule on your motion forthwith, which is granted.
Thank you.
The oath will now be administered by Ms. Rojas, the clerk of the court.
Good afternoon, Justice Gish. Good afternoon, candidates. I will administer the oath of the office in the form of a question. At the end, I will ask you to please unmute your microphones and respond by saying, I do. At this point, I ask everyone to please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of New York, and to faithfully discharge the duties of the office of Attorney and Counselor at Law to the best of your ability? Please unmute your microphones and respond by saying, I do.
I do.
Congratulations, attorneys. You may please mute your microphones and lower your right hand. Thank you.
Congratulations. You are all now officially lawyers. And I'm going to ask my colleagues to unmute themselves and give you a hearty round of applause for this great accomplishment. We have a custom here at the Appellate Division to have one of our colleagues address you on this important occasion with some sage words of wisdom and advice. And today that privilege falls to my colleague, Justice Friedman.
Thank you, Justice Gish. Because these proceedings have already gone on for some time, I will be brief. To begin, I want to congratulate and welcome the new lawyers who have just been admitted to the bar of the state of New York, and also to congratulate their families and friends who have helped them on their journey to this day. Under ordinary circumstances, this proceeding would have taken place within the beautiful and ornate courtroom in the First Department's 120-year-old courthouse on Madison Avenue, a venue that I hope you all will be able to visit soon enough. However, the circumstances under which we presently find ourselves are not ordinary. These circumstances have made it necessary for you applicants and we judges to appear before each other in virtual space through the screens and speakers of computers. Not so many years ago, it would not have been possible to do this. The pandemic in whose shadow this proceeding takes place and the technological innovations that we are using to avoid some of the effects of that pandemic highlight the fact that change is a constant of the legal world in the 21st century. A successful legal career involves frequent adaptation to new and unexpected circumstances in technology, in society, and in the law itself. As President Lincoln wrote in 1862, we must rise with the occasion. As our case is new, so we must think anew and act anew. It is my fervent hope that each of you new members of the bar will rise with the occasion and meet not only the present challenges, but all of the additional challenges that the future is sure to bring. In meeting those challenges, I hope that you will be animated, and what is the second appearance for him here today, you will be animated by what Justice Cardozo called the true spirit of the bar. More than 90 years ago, Justice Cardozo imparted the following message about that spirit to the new lawyers of his day. Now it lies with you to uplift what is low, to erase what is false, to redeem what has been lost, till all the world shall see, and seeing shall understand, that union of the scholar's thought and the mystic's yearning, the knight's ardor and the hero's passion, which is still, in truest moments of expression, the spirit of the bar. Make that your spirit of the bar in whatever field you choose to participate, and you will go far. Congratulations again, and best of luck. My remarks are now concluded.
Thank you, Justice Friedman. This admission ceremony is now concluded and court is adjourned.
Thank you for the justices and Ms. Rojas. They will log off and I will stay on with the new attorneys.